Thank you for joining me for this short video that walks through performing an automated liquid handler verification on the MVS system with the ArtelWare software application. I've got some interesting information to show you, so let's go ahead and get started. There are a couple of tasks that I've already performed before I begin this automated liquid handler verification. The first is I've already run the MVS calibrator plate, and the second that I've already run my MVS baseline plate for a 96 well plate. There are a couple of ways to start an automated liquid handler verification. You can click on the Verify Liquid Handler shortcut, or you can click on the calibration icon on the far left side navigation panel, and then select Ad Hoc ALH or Scheduled ALH. Let's go ahead and head back to the home screen, and let's click on Verify Liquid Handler. From here, we're being presented with a couple of choices to perform a scheduled liquid handler verification or an ad hoc liquid handler verification. I'm going to select Ad Hoc Liquid Handler Verification and click OK. From here, I'll need to select the automated liquid handler that I want to test and the verification plan that I wish to use. I'm going to use this 200 microliter variable 8-channel verification plan. You can see that there are 3 target volumes. I'm taking 4 replicates at each volume, and then these are the statistics that I already defined in my verification plan. Let's go ahead and select Start Verification. Next, I'll go ahead and scan the solutions that I'm going to be using in this verification. Then I'll scan the plate, and here the software tells you all of the information about how the dispenses should be presented in the plate itself. Here you can see that for a 20 microliter dispense, I need 20 microliters of QualiSure Solution B and 180 microliters of diluent. If I look at the 100 microliter dispense, I need 100 microliters of QualiSure Solution A and 100 microliters of diluent. Also here, I can enter information about the liquid class name or the plan description, and I can also edit my shaking step. Right now, the default is set for 60-second shake. I'm going to leave that as is. I can also choose to record the environment or abort the verification at any time. Let's go ahead and select Start Shaking. Now that the shaking step's completed, I'll go ahead and insert the plate into the reader and select Start Reading. Now that my reading is completed on the plate, I can choose to add a comment and record the environmentals, but I'm going to skip that and I'll select Finish. I'll accept the default review comment of verification approved and click OK. And now I have my final report. One of my favorite things that I like to do is I like to put the heat map display on my reports. It helps provide a visual representation of different trends or patterns that I might be interested in seeing. Now I have my final report. All of the information that you would expect to see about your automated liquid handler and the verification plan, the evaluation criteria, information about each of the dispense steps. This very first set of statistics is for my 20 microliter target volume. You can see I'm well within specification, and I also see the channel statistics and dispense order statistics for the 4 replicates that were taken. If I continue to scroll, I actually see the well-by-well volumes that were dispensed. Next, I see information about dispense step 2. This is the 100 microliter dispense step. Again, I see the overall volume statistics for that dispense step, as well as the channel statistics, as well as the dispense order statistics, and each well. Last but not least, dispense step 3 is my 200 microliter dispense step. Again, I can see information about that dispense step, the overall statistics, the channel statistics, and the dispense order statistics, and of course, the volume that was dispensed into each well. Now, as I decipher these results, I see that I have a very interesting pattern where column 9 has elevated results and column 10 has lower results. So that's interesting. I'm going to keep that in mind. As I continue to scroll, I see information about the materials that were used and their respective dispense steps, the reviewer comment, as well as information about my MVS. From here, I can choose to export the report, or I can choose to print the report as well as a verification label, but we'll cover that later. This report's complete, so I'll go ahead and close out of it. Okay, that concludes our brief tutorial. Do you have additional questions? please contact us at 1-800-225-4034 option 3 or at support@aicompanies.com. Thank you.